Good morning. We are in Frita, Colorado. Yesterday we woke up at Moraine Campground and traveled from east to west through the Rockies along Trail Ridge Road. Along the trail we stopped to take pictures of beautiful scenery, and Miss Cessna explained how glaciers are formed, where glaciers extend through all sides of the valley and carve a great U shape, whereas rivers are on a single point and carve more of a V rather than a U.
Alright, and after our stop at Rainbow Curve, we hiked the rock-cut peak, which is about 12,200 feet above sea level. And there are no trees on top, and the only plants growing are about an inch off the ground due to the harsh frost and severe winds. We hiked up to a big boulder, and we all gathered on top and had a brief discussion and took some photos. It's 42 degrees and the winds were 30 miles per hour. And if you stand up and extend your arms out, you feel like you're going to fall back off the boulder into the snow. And also, a few of us decided that we were going to slide down the slope in the snow on our butts and make snow angels. And the snow that melts is the headwaters of the Colorado River as well. And we also saw a marmot, which is a relative of the groundhog that hibernates, and a pika, which looks like a large hamster, and it has smaller ears and tail to protect it from the harsh elements. After that, our third stop is at the Alpine Visitor Center. The drifts of snow go up to about the roof of the visitor center, and the snow is driven by winds west to east that collects on the east side. The visitor center had a gift shop and a small cafe that we browsed up until lunchtime.
Our fourth stop was at the Colorado Riverhead, and we met with Ranger Kathleen Rudder, who explained various aspects about the forest to us, including the pine bark beetles, which have eaten 80% of the lodgepole pine trees in the forest. She also told us how the elk and moose population are rather high due to the fact that there are no wolves or predators to hunt them. And she also explained how the deer population is low because mountain lions primarily eat them as their food. And wolves, moose were reintroduced to the park not long ago because of hunters wanting to be able to hunt moose and scientific research. And the moose population is now nearly double what they originally anticipated it to be. Alright, signing off from Fruta, Colorado, I am Jeremy Brenneman, and this is Alesha Melendez.